Hi there, YouTube world. I am Lauren Cadillac. I'm with Cadillac Law, and this is a video about why to establish your LLC in the great state of Texas. Before we get into the topic though, as always, nothing I say here creates an attorney-client relationship between the viewer, myself, and my firm. None of this is legal advice. This is just general advice, stuff I've learned over the years, and I'm sharing it with you. So let's get into why Texas is the best for LLCs. I'm going to tell you first, I am biased. I am a Texas lawyer. I am a Texan. I love my state. Okay, so when I tell you Texas is the best, I mean it, but I'm also coming from a place of bias, just so you know. The deal with Texas LLCs is they're very, very easy to establish. Our Secretary of State has a very easy website. It costs something like $310 all in, and that includes the convenience fee. It can be done online really easily. We don't have a lot of stringent rules in Texas. You don't have to have set meeting times. You don't have to have, notes and those kind of things to have an LLC. It's a pretty informal process. Once you go and you register with the Secretary of State, they'll automatically send your information to the comptroller, and then the state comptroller will send you information, and that's where you'll be able to do your franchise tax. Now, a lot of people hear the word franchise tax, and I hate the word tax too, and they get scared off, but this is not a big deal. The franchise tax in Texas is something like $6 per $1 million or something ridiculous like that. It's so cheap. I remember thinking, if I can earn that much income with my business, I have no problem giving the state $6. Okay, no problem. Take my $6. So it is really, really incredibly negligible. Now, our business and organization codes is very liberal for business owners like LLCs. And we even have this great part of the code where if you're a Texas LLC, attorney's fees cannot be assessed against you. So you absolutely, as an LLC, if your LLC gets sued, you have to have a lawyer represent you in court. But whoever does the suing is not going to be able to get attorney's fees against your LLC, because it's right there in the code. And I don't know any other state that has that codified. I think that is the greatest thing about being a Texas LLC. Another wonderful thing is Texas allows series LLCs. So if you are a serial entrepreneur, or you maybe are a real estate investor, we can put you in a series LLC where you create little series as you go along, and it will be a cost saving, and it will be a not just a tax advantage. You'll have to account for each one separately, but it'll create a protection advantage for each piece and each LLC. So I absolutely love that. I obviously think Texas is the greatest state in America, and I'm so proud to be a licensed attorney here. I think Texas is absolutely hands down the best state to make your LLC. The one exception would be if you're doing a lot of intellectual property heavy type work, in which case you'll want to talk with your attorney about possibly doing Delaware. That's going to be a tax accounting issue, and you want to talk with your attorney, your tax planner, all of those people. At Cadillac Law, we do tax planning, we do real estate, we do it all. If you need us, you can call us at 972-845-1200. Visit our website at cadillaclaw.net, and make sure you hit like or subscribe. And if you know someone who's eager and ambitious that wants to open a business and they're like, which state should I do it in? Texas is it. Share this video. Have a great day.